Liam was a young man who worked in a small grocery store. Every day he woke up early, took the bus, and stood behind the counter with a smile. He didn't earn much, but he was polite to everyone. He often said, "Kindness is free, so I can always give some." Still, life was not easy. His rent was late, his shoes were old, and sometimes he ate only bread for dinner. One rainy evening, after closing the shop, Liam walked home through a quiet street. The lights were dim, and the sound of rain filled the air. As he walked, he saw something shiny near a bench. He picked it up. It was a brown leather wallet. He looked around, but no one was there. Curious, he opened it. Inside there was a lot of money, an ID card, and a small photo of a little girl smiling. For a moment, Liam's heart beat fast. He thought, this money could change everything for me. I could pay my rent, buy good food, maybe even fix my phone. But then he looked again at the photo. The girl looked happy and sweet, maybe 6 or 7 years old. Liam thought, maybe this money is for her. Maybe her family needs it. He stood in the rain, thinking for a long time. Then he made a decision. He put the wallet in his pocket and went straight to the police station. There he gave it to the officer on duty. The police officer looked surprised. "You are returning it? That's a lot of money." Liam smiled quietly. "It's not mine. I'm sure someone needs it more than me." The officer thanked him and promised to find the owner. 2 days later, while Liam was working at the shop, an old man entered. He wore a hat and a long coat and looked kind. He walked to the counter and said, "Are you Liam?" "Yes, sir," Liam replied. The man smiled. "I'm the owner of the wallet you found. The police told me your name." Liam smiled shyly. "I'm glad you got it back." The man's eyes became wet. "You don't know what you did for me, son. That money was for my granddaughter's heart medicine." Liam felt warm inside. "I'm happy I could help." The man took out an envelope and placed it on the counter. "There's a small gift for you," he said. Liam shook his head quickly. "Oh no, sir. I can't take it." But the man insisted. "Please. You showed honesty when you could have chosen differently. That is rare. You deserve it." When the man left, Liam slowly opened the envelope. Inside, there was a check for $5,000 and a small note that said, "Good hearts bring good things." Liam couldn't believe his eyes. Tears came to his face. He sat down smiling. He realized that when you do good things without expecting anything, life rewards you in unexpected ways. From that day on, Liam helped others whenever he could. He donated food to people who had none. He bought small gifts for children who came to his shop. And each time he remembered the old man's words. Honesty is worth more than money. But when you use money with honesty and kindness, that's real power.